dear viewers. I am your Shobha, Kochi. Today I am going to start new lesson in the 8th standard, political science, meaning and importance of political science. It is particularly to the 8th standard students and for those who are attending competitive examinations. It is useful subject to them also. So now I am going to start political science. Political science is one of the social science which deals statecraft, about the state origin and its development and other aspects of state. Most importantly, though it is once a time, it is not systematically studied by Babylonians, Egyptians, Indians, Chinese, but it is studied by Greek philosophers. Those people or philosophers are nothing but Socrates, second one Plato, third one Aristotle. Socrates' student or pupil or disciple is Plato. Plato's disciple or student was Aristotle. Plato's work is Republic. Aristotle's work is the Politics. He is known as father of political science. Aristotle is known as father of political science. In the Plato's book, that is Republic, how state origins, how it develops, or growth of a nation, that given here, and how king should be and state should be. All these things are mentioned in the Republic. Under the guidance of Plato, Aristotle also wrote the Politics. He was known as the father of political science. So, with this, how Greeks started their work, how they introduced the political science, I am going to give you, or knowledge I am going to give you. So now here most important aspect is here is nothing but in Greek language, politics word derived from polis, which means city state. Which means city state. So here systematic study developed by Aristotle only. So presently, the systematic study of a political is nothing but a practical minister or a prime minister. What are they are doing? Legislature, executive, judiciary, etc., the organs of the body, what they are doing, etc., we are studying in political science. So, what are the uses or importance of political science? Uses or importance of political science. We are now going to study here. What are the most important? Why we should study the political science? What are the most important aspect in a political science? We are going to make the list here. First one, it gives or provides the knowledge of constitution, and a law of the state. Constitution and the law of the state. Political science provides knowledge of constitution, the law of state. Next one, it provides information of structure and function of state and central government. Structure and function of central government, which we studied in the political science. How much organs are there? There are 3 organs are there. What are those? Legislature, executive, judiciary. How they are structured and what are the functions of state and central government under these organs, that we are all study in this aspect only. The next one, it helps us to plan. Third one, political science help us to plan future aspects of state on the basis of past. What happened in the past? And next, how should be present or future, that we are all study in the political science. Particularly, it is related to statecraft. Then its studies about monarchy, aristocracy, democracy, law of the state. Monarchy means one government. Democracy means all the people who elect one president, prime minister, and chief minister on the basis of people only. So, here law of the state, monarchy, democracy, aristocracy, whatever it may be, we are going to study in the political science only. So next one here is nothing but it help us to understand. It help us to understand the organs of government. Fifth one, organs of government. Which are those organs of the government are there? First one, legislature, executive, and judiciary. These are the three organs of the government we are studying in the political science. Or political science help us to provide the knowledge of these three organs. Okay. Now next one. The knowledge of political science helps us to leadership and civil servants to understand and solve the problem of people. Leadership and civil servants to understand, solve the problem of people. There are a lot of problems in the nation. The political science may study this and helps us to understand civil servants to solve these problems. Next one, good leadership. Good leadership. In the class, how we choose leaders or a monitor, that class develops or improvement made. Like in the same way, if our chief minister or ruling party is good, then we find improvement. So, which leader is we want, that guided by political science subject only. So next year is nothing but importantly, how many types of government are there? Political parties, political parties, federal government, then local bodies, we study in political science only. Political parties like BJP, Congress, AIDIMK, and JDS, etc. All parties are studied in political science. Then federal government. There are two types of government. One is unitary government and the second one is federal government. Federal government are two sets of the government are there, and local bodies corporations, purasabhas, etc. we are studying in this local bodies only. So, lastly, political science gives the knowledge of international relations. International relation. Here, what happened in the foreign countries, how our relation should be with the other countries, that all we are studying in the political science. So, with this, I am going to stop my subject. Today, what we are studied, the origin and importance of the political science. I think you understand this one. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. Tomorrow or in my next class, I will be going to teach another chapter, particularly 8th standard. Thank you very much.